Introducing the Controls and Mechatronics Pendulum, an integrated servomotor solution designed specifically for undergraduate controls and mechatronics labs. This advanced system is meticulously designed to facilitate the teaching of control concepts and modeling, making it the perfect choice for educators and students alike. With the power of LabVIEW and a free toolkit, you can explore the world of control and simulation effortlessly. Let's dive in. At first, you see the pendulum at rest, as indicated by the flat line on the graph. Now, watch what happens when we give it a small kick. The graph begins to display an increase, as the pendulum starts to swing. Observe as it gains momentum and, with precision control, the pendulum finds its balance once more. But what if we try to force the pendulum down? The system resists and keeps it upright, showcasing its remarkable control capabilities. From the device, you'll obtain valuable data, including the pendulum and arm degrees, crucial for understanding control systems. And the exciting part. The Controls and Mechatronics platform Pendulum can be harnessed for reinforcement learning, enabling you to train AI with real-world data. Controls and Mechatronics platform Pendulum, your gateway to mastering control theory and applications in a dynamic, hands-on learning environment. Empower your students and researchers with precision and innovation.